बघा आज आपण प्रॉब्लेम पाहू. फाइंड डी स्क्वेअर वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर इफ एक्स इक्वल टू साइन थीटा कामा वाय इक्वल टू साइन क्यूब थीटा व्हेन थीटा इक्वल टू पाय बाय 2. म्हणजे थीटा इक्वल टू पाय बाय 2 असताना डी स्क्वेअर वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर याची किंमत काय असेल ते आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. बघायचं सोल्युशन. एक्स इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ थीटा म्हणजे एक्स हा सुद्धा साइन मध्ये आहे, वाय सुद्धा साइन मध्येच आहे, नंबर 1. अँड वाय इक्वल टू साइन क्यूब थीटा. देयरफॉर वाय इक्वल टू साइन ऑफ थीटा क्यूब मीन्स वाय इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब. डिफरेंशिएट with respect to x dy by dx equal to 3x square. Again differentiate with respect to x dy by dx 3 into 2 6x. But here value of theta is given when theta equal to pi by 2, then x equal to sin of pi by 2, it is 1. Therefore d square y by dx square. Therefore d square y by dx square theta equal to pi by 2 equal to d square y by dx square x equal to 1 equal to 6 into 1 means 6. And look at next problem. If x equal to cos theta, find d square y by dx square. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. At theta equal to pi by 4. ये cos of theta. These are the parametric functions because x and y are expressed in terms of theta. Therefore, differentiate to both functions with respect to theta. Solution. बघा नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम आहे. फाइंड डी स्क्वेअर वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर इफ एक्स इक्वल टू ए कॉस थीटा वाय इक्वल टू बी साइन थीटा व्हेन थीटा इक्वल टू पाय बाय 4. These are the parametric functions. Therefore, differentiate to x and y with respect to theta since theta is the parameter. Write down x equal to a cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta dx by d theta. A is a constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin of theta. हा माइनस साइन आपण इथे समोर घेऊ माइनस a sin थीटा. नेक्स्ट y equal to b sin theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Therefore dy by d theta equal to b is a constant. Derivative of sin is cos theta. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. That is b cos theta divided by minus a sin theta minus b by a. Since a and b are the constant, cos by sin means cot of theta. Again a differentiate with respect to x means d square y by dx square. Here minus of b by a is a constant. Derivative of cot of theta means minus cosec square theta into d theta by dx by using chain rule. But dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. Therefore, d theta by dx is minus 1 upon a sin theta. But 1 by sin means cosec. Here minus sin shift here, a into a means a square. That is minus b by a square cosec square theta into cosec theta. Product is cosec cube theta is the d square y by dx square. But here we find d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. Therefore, d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4 equal to minus b by a square cosec cube pi by 4. But value of pi by 4 is root of 2 means minus b by a square minus b by a square root of 2 cube. The root of 2 cube means root of 2 into root of 2 into root of 2. Here 2 root of 2 means negative 2 root of 2 b upon a square is the answer. Now next problem. Next problem is if y equal to log of example if y equal to log of log 2x so that xy2 plus y1 1 plus xy1 equal to 0. बघा या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम आहे. सोल्यूशन y log of 2x. तर इथे दोन पर्याय आहेत. डायरेक्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचं आणि सेकंड जो ऑप्शन आहे हा जो लाग आहे या लागला आपण हटवून देऊ. इट इज कन्वर्ट ॲज e power y log of 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. derivative of e power y is e power y dy by dx. Derivative of log of 2x 1 upon 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. E power y dy by dx. 2 get cancelled. This is first, second, again a differentiate with respect to x. First, as it is, derivative of dy by dx plus second as it is dy by dx of e power y and 1 by x, its derivative is minus 1 by x square. E power y d by dx of dy by dx means d square y by dx square plus dy by dx. Derivative is e power y dy by dx minus 1 by x square. Note this step, 1 by x into 1 by x. Therefore, e power y d square y by dx square plus dy by dx e power y dy by dx minus x into 1 by x means e power y dy by dx. Cancelling the term, e power y we get it is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx equal to minus 1 by x dy by dx. Now multiplying by x, multiplying by x we get x d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx into dy by dx equal to minus dy by dx. Now shift to this term on left hand side, x d square y by dx square x dy by dx into dy by dx plus dy by dx equal to 0. From these two terms, take dy by dx as a common. X d square y by dx square plus dy by dx x dy by dx and plus 1 equal to 0. That is x, this is a second order derivative means y2 plus this is y1 and x again y1 plus 1 equal to 0. That is आपल्याला या पद्धतीने दाखवायचं होतं. That is xy2 y1 1 plus xy1 equal to 0. तर याप्रमाणे त्याचे आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दाखवलेला आहे. बघा नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. if x equal to x equal to a sin t minus b cos t. y equal to a cos of t plus b sin of t. So that d square y by dx square equal to minus x square plus y square divided by y cube. Here also x and y are the parametric functions. Therefore, differentiate to x and differentiate to y with respect to t. First find dx by dt, next dy by dt, and next dy by dx. X equal to a cos of t आपला a sin of t minus b cos of t. Differentiate with respect to t means dx by dt. A derivative is cos of t minus b derivative is minus sin of t. Therefore, dx by dt equal to a cos of t minus minus plus b sin t, and y equal to a cos t plus b sin t. With respect to t, dy by dt, a negative sin of t plus b cos of t. Negative a sin of t plus b cos of t. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. dy by dt is negative a sin of t plus b cos of t, and dx by dt is a cos t plus b sin t. From numerator we take negative as a common. A sin of t plus minus b cos of t divided by a cos t plus b sin of t. But this is x and this quantity is y according to example, means negative x by y. याला नंबर 1 देता है तो याला नंबर 2 from 1 and 2. Again a differentiate. With respect to x, d square y by dx square equal to निगेटिव्ह तर आहेच, फर्स्ट फंक्शन सेकंड फंक्शन into d by dx of x is 1 minus first function and dy by dx upon square of second, means negative y minus x and dy by dx is minus x by y upon y square from 3. बघा काय होईल आता, निगेटिव्ह y निगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह x into x square upon y square means negative y into y square plus x square divided by y again divided by y square. तर यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल, y हा खाली येईल मीन्स y square into y बनेल म्हणजे y क्यूब. therefore negative y square plus x square means x square plus y square and divided by y square into y means y cube, hence proved.